Now here is how you can search for similar photos on Google. So let me guide you through it and show you how it works. If it's your first time in here, subscribe and we can get started. So I believe the best way to go about it is to download the official Google app from the App Store. So you don't even have to have like the Chrome browser or anything else. The Google app is enough. So when you get inside like this, you'll have the ability to see some information and have the search field available. And next to the search, we have the microphone icon, of course, as well as the Google Lens icon. So if I tap on it like this, it allows me to open up the camera and look something up instantly with the camera, or I also have the ability to look for something from my photos, right? So I can literally upload some pictures from the gallery, right? And let's say that I have a picture of my camera right here. So I'm gonna upload it in here, select the area which I want to be recognized. It depends on what the goal is, because it can also tell me what the product is or explain what's really going on. But if I want to see some similar photos, I can tap on the visual matches like this. So it's part of this tab bar, right? And you can see some similar images. So yeah, it depends kind of, you know, some of them are a little bit different than others, but you also have the ability to look up for exact matches, which is less likely to be found. It's only available if it's like a public image or it can be matched with something online, but in many cases it's not possible. At least the visual searches are and visual matches are always in there. So that gives us the ability to search for similar photos on Google. So let me know if you found this video helpful. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next videos as well.